welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nsikan Ekanem, and on today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing. I don't even want to tell you guys to guess because I know the title is already a killjoy. So anyways, yeah, here we go. Here's my new baby. It's my new baby, and this is my tripod, and this is my Ringlight. I have FedEx that delivered this to me, and let's just go ahead and just open this up.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. And right. It's 10 inches Ringlight.
Yeah, and what does it even have? Okay, it works with power bank or direct source of lights, but I currently don't have lights right now, so I'm gonna go ahead to use my power bank to let you guys see how it is. Then it has a shutter here. It has a remote here, right? Then this is like how do you call this stuff again? Phone holder. Then it has a phone holder. It was pretty cheap, like compared to others. So if you need a ring light, I'm gonna leave the link to where I got this ring light on the description box. So don't say I didn't help you out. So we're gonna go ahead to power this right now. Or I don't know if I should I should unbox the tripod at once, but anyhow, let's just see. So this is my power bank, and just want to get this over and done with. Right, okay, this highlights, and oh wow, this is cute. I think it has different film of beautiful. Okay, I can't shout. I don't want to shout. But this is really nice. This is really amazing. And hi there. I mean, you can see the difference. Shit. But you can see the difference, yeah? Like, for real. This is really nice. Okay, let me go ahead to work with my tripod, yeah? Alright, should I have this? Because I feel like I even need it. You guys, what do you think? Okay, let me just go ahead to off it and open my tripod up. Okay, this tripod is okay. Hey! Oh my god, I'm super excited because you guys don't know how much how long I saved up for this. Like, I wouldn't say it. I wouldn't even say it. Okay. Right. Oh my god, how did I even pull this out? Please. Does it have okay, thank you there. Okay. Alright. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to let you guys see how I'm doing this. So I'm gonna pull out this table right here because there's a table here. So I'm gonna pull it off and let's just see how it goes. So guys, right, I think this is way more better. Okay, but let's just see. I'm just gonna go ahead to like stretch this off, like enlarge, like make it longer, because I think it can go way further. Okay. Here we go. Okay, that's the last for this one, and oh wow, like this one is like how many cm? Okay, let's do this. This is really okay. So I think I'm gonna use this. I want you guys to see. Right, okay, I think this is perfect. And then I'm gonna go ahead to like put my light here, right? Way more better than it. So I'm gonna go ahead to turn this light on. Whoa, okay. And take this a bit down. Okay. Okay. This tripod is actually good for outdoor whatever too, because it's like really okay. I'm sorry, but I don't know what's going on here. Am I not done tightening this shit? Oh, okay. Alright. Okay, I got you now. Right here. So this is how this looks like. Right? So you guys can see without the lighting and without my wow. Hi. So it has a lot of colors here. Okay, please can I just sit down? Thank you. It has a lot of colors. It has this is, I think this is like the warm lights here. I think this is the warm, and hold on please. This is a warm, and this is this a code? Okay, that's the code. This is the warm, and this is the normal. Yeah, that's it. That's normal. So wait, hold on. Let me take this a bit down again, because I feel like, wow. You guys can see I'm in shape, yeah? So which one do I use? This is me without it, and this is me with it. Oh my god, I'm super excited, and yeah, this is really nice. So you use this to use this is I want to get my other phone, so I'll show you guys how to put this. Hold on guys. So here we go. I'm gonna put this right here. Okay. For content creators, for YouTubers that their video is 16 by 9 dimension. Ouch. Fuck. Right? Yeah. Yeah, so you can just do a video here. Like this. You get it. Right? Like, sorry. But here, this is just how it is. Okay. I actually use my iPhone to film, so this is my second phone. But this is how it looks. This is how you can just film. It says, and it gives you a perfect lighting, because for real, like, you guys should take a look at this. God, it's very amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and I'll see you in my next video with my ring light. Bye guys.
I film like this. Like, I mean, I'm not seeing anybody film like with ring lights, and it looks really nice, right? Like, it gives me this shape that gives it. Oh, I think I'm gonna try it out anyways. But, well, I don't know yet, because it actually looks really good. Alright, we'll see. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Let me go ahead to do my thumbnails.